Hey, Karen here. What is this ration challenge all about then? Well, as I said, for 1 week, I have to eat the same food that a typical Syrian refugee is given as a ration. Now, remember in the box I had oil, I had some lentils, I had some chickpeas, and I had a tin of beans. I had to supplement that with a few other things. I've got 120 grams of tofu, and trust me, that's not much. I eat twice as much as that with one meal. I'm also allowed to add 400 grams of flour, and I'm allowed to add 1.5 kilograms of rice. This is what 1.5 kilograms of rice looks like. So that is all my food then for the week. I also get to earn some bonuses as I go along. And every time I post something on social media that reaches more than 5 people, I get a tea bag. I think I'm already up to 6 tea bags, which is pretty good. If I get some really strong tea, I'm almost certain I can make 3 cups of tea out of that. But I'm really happy about that. Another thing I'm really happy about is that because of this, when I got the box in the mail, my husband decided to do it with me. I went out to Tesco's and I bought everything that he would need to do it. I think the total charge was about £6.
11 minutes later.
End of day 1 reflections. It's hard because the quantities are quite small and there's not any seasoning or flavor in it. The hardest part is actually the caffeine withdrawal. That's the truth of it, because I have a headache, and when you withdraw from caffeine, because I've done it before, you get really, really tired because the caffeine drug is working your mind to say, come on, I want caffeine. If you have some caffeine, you'll wake right up. I promise, and I'm fighting that. My husband was packed off to work with his 2 meals, and I hope that he does okay. I'm going to be going to work later on this week as well, so I'm going to have to pack my food away with me and just eat it away in my hotel room. We'll see how that goes. So on to day 2 tomorrow.